What up, what up? Winbush here. And if you're a Cinema 4D artist that is looking to get into Unreal Engine, but you're having some troubles getting over the interface, I have a couple of tips that might help you out. Now, this came about because on one of my videos, actually my C4D, the Unreal Engine tutorial that you see right here, C4D to Unreal Engine 5, it's about a year old. But somebody down here, DM Spice, was asking if I had any advice for viewport camera functions to make it act a little bit more like Cinema 4D. Now, it's not going to be one-to-one, but I do have some tricks that might help you get started that helped me whenever I was getting started in Unreal Engine. So with Unreal Engine 5 open right now, if you go up to the top left, you'll see you have the edit button right here. If I come down here, the editor preferences, let me actually make this full screen right here like so. If I come down here on the left hand side under level editor, I'm gonna click on viewports. Now we have a bunch of different parameters that will help out. Now the first thing that I did to help me out was invert middle mouse pan. This will make it pan more like it does inside of Cinema 4D. So you want to select this on, so whenever you use the middle mouse button and you actually pan, it's going to be very familiar to Cinema 4D artists. Now, if I scroll down here a little bit more, mine's already toggled down, but if you scroll right here, you should see advanced. You want to toggle this down. And then another thing that's going to make it act like cinema a little bit more is right here where we see orbit camera around selection. I noticed that this is something that helped me out in cinema. And when I was first getting started in Unreal, this made it feel really familiar. And then the last one right here, where it says use distance, scale camera speed, that means that depending how close you are to your selected object, the camera is going to move either faster or slower. And so that's something that cinema does as well. So you want to select that on there as well. So now those are the different things that helped me out when I was working in Unreal Engine coming from Cinema 4D. So you see, if I select this right here, hold the Alt key and move around, I'm orbiting around my selection. If I hit the S key, it's getting a little bit slower as we move in on there, something like that. And then if I hold the middle mouse button, if I push up on my mouse, it's actually moving up in the key, or it's actually moving up in the viewport. And if I hold down, it's actually moving down. So those are three functions that actually help me work out Cinema 4D, the Unreal Engine navigational support. So hopefully that gets you started coming from Cinema 4D to Unreal Engine. I know it can be a little bit frustrating, but trust me, if you keep with it, navigating in Unreal Engine is going to feel like second nature. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Maybe you have some tips for him as well, how he can navigate inside of Unreal Engine 5. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I see you soon. Take care.